Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. You can already understand from seeing the fake nails and the acrylic powder and the acrylic liquid that today I'm going to create my nails at home, and it's going to be a Valentine's Day special nail art and nail extensions. I have few fake nails here, some stickers here, acrylic nail glue, and the acrylic liquid I have, plus this is the acrylic powder, and this is the brush, and this is the buffer. Like, this is the smooth side and this is the rough side of the buffer. So when I'm going to show you the nail extension, you will get to understand what's the correct use of this. And last but not the least, this is the cuticle pusher. So we need to push the cuticle before applying any fake nails. So here is the nail cutter, and I'm going to show you all the nail extensions step by step. So stay tuned with my video and stay tuned with my channel. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to push my cuticles back with the help of this cuticle pusher. So let's do this. So this is how I'm going to push the cuticles at the back. So the next step is to buff my nails with the help of this buffer, and I'm going to use the rough side. I'm going to use the rough side just because to help the fake nails to get attached very nicely on the real nails. Buffing is done. Now it's time to add some glue and paste on the fake nails. So first, the main thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to find the size of my nails. So I think this will go for my thumb. So next, this is for my index finger. For my middle finger, and I think this is also the perfect size. Now let's go for my ring finger. I think this one is perfect. Yeah, I think this one is perfect for my ring finger. Next, for my little finger, I think this size is perfect for my little finger. Yeah, so I have got the 5 sizes. Now let's close this lid. So I have to fix this with the glue. Just turn the nail like this and put a little amount of glue here. Try to paste this nail on your real nail and press this for a few seconds. So you can see it got stuck very nicely. See? So in the same way, let's stick the second nail. So the next step is to cut my nails because I don't want such huge length. So I need to cut my nails with the help of this nail cutter. And firstly, you need to hold your nail properly like this. Insert the nail cutter like this. See? And just chop it off like this. See, hold your nails properly like this. Insert this nail cutter here and chop it off like this. So guys, moving forward to the next step, and this is an instrument. This is a nail instrument, and you can use it as shaping your nails and smoothing your nails, giving shape to your nails. So this is a very useful home product for nail extensions, especially because you need to shape your nails, you need to smoothen up your edges of your fake nails. So this is a correct and a very useful product. I have picked up this nail smoother and nail shaper from Amazon, so it's available in Flipkart as well as in Amazon. I'm going to link it down in the description box below. Do check it out, guys. And now let's start with the procedure. There is a small battery inside, and with the help of the small battery it's going to work. So there are 5 heads here, and all the 5 heads have different uses and different purposes. So this is basically this one. It's a spongy kind of head, and it's basically used for smoothing up your nails. If you have sharp edges, you can smooth it up with the help of this particular head. And next, this one is the buffer. It's a slight rough buffer. Like if you want to buff your nails, you can use this one. And this one is specially for the corners of your nails. If you want to shape your corners of your nails, you can use particularly this one. This also have a rough surface, but it's a type of a conical shape. These 2 heads have almost the same uses. Like they are also used to buff and to shape your nails properly. So yeah, let's start with this smoothing head, and I'm going to fix this here. See, inside the hole, like this. Yeah, I have already inserted this, and now I'm going to press this button, and you can see it's already working. You can see how much pointed and sharp these fake nails are. So I need to smoothen up a bit with the help of this smoother. So let's start. I need to buff a little and give it a little shape. Like I don't want so much pointed section here, so I need to make it blunt little bit. Yeah. Now I'm going to continue with other nails, and we'll quickly come back with the next step. So guys, this is how my nails look right now. It is almost nicely shaped, and the edges are so smooth, not at all pointy, not at all sharp. So with the help of this nail decorator and nail shaper or smoother, you can shape your nails and give it a very smooth finish. At the starting of this video, I have showed you the acrylic powder and the acrylic liquid, but today I'm not going to do the acrylic nails. I'm going to show you the usage properly in some other nail video. So today I'm going to keep my nails very simple. I'm going to apply some gel nail polish or add some stickers on it, and I'm going to finish off this video with a very simple note of Happy Valentine's Day. So let's move on to the next step. Next, it's time to put on some nail polish, and it's really not necessary to wear red nail polish in Valentine's Day. So I have chosen this particular bright yellow for this Valentine's Day. So let's start to paint our nails. And this brand is Noe Nail Lacquer, and you can get this brand in Amazon as well as in Flipkart. Done with my nail polish. Now it's time to add on some stickers on my nails to make it more beautiful. So guys, all the stickers I have got from Flipkart. I'll link everything in the description box below. There are 10 lot of stickers for your 10 nails. You are going to cut it short, so it will be very easy to apply the stickers on your nails. There is a tiny transparent plastic here over the sticker, so just pick it up like this. I have taken a small brush to apply the water on the sticker, and I have taken a little bit of water. So first you are going to place this sticker on your nails like this, and then apply a little bit of water at the back side of the sticker. Now just remove the sticker. So now you can see the impression all over your nails. So you have this extended portion of the sticker. Now what you can do is that you can just cut it off with the help of this nail shaper. So guys, how beautiful it looks, right? Now what you can do, you can lock everything up with the help of the primer or gloss gel, transparent gel. So I have taken this from Lakme 925. This is a very good top coat. This is how my nail extension looks like. I hope you really enjoyed today's video, and all the products and materials that I have used today in doing this nail extension is super affordable, super cheap, and this particular nail extension will stay up to 4 to 5 days on your nail. So guys, if you really enjoyed today's video, then do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share, and do not forget to hit that bell icon too to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and just stay tuned with my next video. Bye.